how to take a picture with studio effect in portrait mode on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, at the bottom here, you want to swipe across and select portrait. Then we go to the top here and tap on the effect button. Next, in here, you want to swipe across at the top row to select studio. Then we go down. In here is the effect strength. You can adjust the strength to low or high. So by dragging the slider bar to the right, that will increase your effect strength to the highest. Alright, so now point your camera at the subject and then simply tap on the shutter button to capture the picture. So what does this studio effect do? The studio effect feature on the Galaxy S25 cameras enhances your photos by applying various professional looking effects and filters, giving your images a polished studio quality feel. This feature is designed to improve portrait photography, offering options that can help blur the background, bokeh effect, adjusting lighting, and applied other enhancements like skin smoothing and makeup effects. So the four main components to the studio effects are portrait lighting, beauty mode, background blur, and filters. And that's it. So the goal of studio effects is to make it easier to take high quality professional looking photos, especially for portraits, without needing to adjust advanced settings manually. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.